Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a video that I've been asked many times for me to redo and to explain it. It's about flow coating. So let's just begin. Here we go. Flow coating, what it is. Flow coating, it's exactly what it means. You're gonna apply more clear to the clear that you already have on the panel that's already been dried. Reason people do this mostly is for show quality finish, for show cars, to cover up any designs, any tapings or anything that the panel might have. They use flow coating to cover all that up. But it can also be used if you have extensive orange peel. All right, let me show you this panel. This was painted about a week ago. Let me show you the extent of orange peel that this panel has. I hope the camera is capturing it. If you can see it on the trees, it has a bunch of orange peel. The panel is painted perfect, but the orange peel is there. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna eliminate the orange peel by doing a flow coat. Now I can buff this hood, but I know that there's a lot of people that are afraid to buff a car or a part of the panel. You might burn it. If you don't know how to do it, you might burn it, and you're gonna have to redo everything again. So this is the safest way that you can do it in order for you to eliminate the orange peel. So all you do, let's start with the DA. I do have an interface pad, a brand new interface pad. It has to be a brand new one to get the perfect finish. And 600 grit sandpaper. That's it. That's all it is. Now I'm gonna start sanding this panel with a very low speed so that you don't burn it. You can also burn it with the DA, so you got to go in a slow speed. Right there, this is what I'm looking for. Flat, no orange peel. Right there you can see it, and that is what we're trying to eliminate, the orange peel. So we're going to be doing this panel the way I did it right now, to the entire panel, and just eliminate all the orange peel. All these corners I'm not going to be doing. All this corner I'm not going to be doing. I'm going to be doing it by hand. Try to stay away from the corners because you can burn through the clear. So let's just start sanding. After completely sanding it down so that there is no orange peel, as you can see, this is where you need to be. This is the other way that you can eliminate the orange peel without buffing it. I'm also going to be doing a flow coat on the skateboard that's going to be given away in this video. Now all we got to do is mix up the clear and apply it. Let me show you how you're gonna mix up your clear. As you know, the clear I'm gonna be using is from Eurochem Glamour Clear, and we're gonna be applying 10% of reducer and the hardener. This clear is mixed 2 to 1, which is 2 parts of the clear and 1 part of the hardener, the activator. But for a flow coat, we're gonna be adding 10% of reducer. We already mixed the 2 to 1 of the clear coat. Right there, 2 parts of the clear coat, 1 part of the activator. Now the 10% is right there where that line is. So that's how much we're gonna be mixing of reducer. There we go, up to the line of reducer. Now let's mix it up, put it in the gun, and spray it. Now for the gun I'm gonna be using is a Segola 4600 with a 1.3 tip and the DVR clear. That's the cap that it has. It's for clear, so I am gonna be applying it at 33 psi. 33 psi with a full fan and a full trigger. Let's go. Now regarding how many coats am I gonna be applying, I'm just gonna be applying 2 coats, 2 full wet coats on this panel. It already had 3 coats. I probably eliminated 1 coat with sanding, so I'm gonna apply 2 more coats. That should be it. And after 2 full wet coats and 24 hours of drying, there it is. This is how it looks with the flow coat. All the orange peel is eliminated and we are good to go. There you go, guys. You guys want orange peel free from your project? Just flow coat it. Now I also flow coated the skateboard, so let's go to the computer, see who the winner is. Right guys, we're here in the computer. Now